Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Thursday, so that means it's time for Mail Day Thursday. If you're new to my channel, Mail Day Thursday is something that I started in January of 2022 for me to remind myself to send out cards and to encourage you to send out at least one card. I think we all make these cards and they're gorgeous and they're not doing anyone any good sitting around in a box, so let's mail them out. This week I'm mailing out 5 cards, so I will share those with you. While I'm getting them all ready, I want to remind you that in the description box below is a link to a Google form, and if you fill that form out, then I can send you one of these cards. Well, or a card, may not be one of these. Can't guarantee that you'll get one right away, but I love meeting new people and sending cards out just to make you smile. Plus, it's fun to get something besides a bill in the mail, right? All right, on to the cards that I'm mailing out this week. I have this fun fairy. She was originally from Some Odd Girl. She might be available at the Whimsy stamp store now. I'm not sure. I haven't checked. And you make me so happy. I really like the colors I used on her. Next up, I have this beautiful girl, pretty flowers, a butterfly. It's blank on the inside, just decorate a little bit. And she's just so pretty. And next up, I guess I must have been feeling kind of fairy-ish today, is a fairy from the Greeting Farm. Must have also been feeling some flowers. She's got some flowers, some butterflies. She's very, very sparkly. And there's the inside of that one. Next up is a La La Land Crafts Marcy. I believe this was from a club kit many, 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 many years ago. And there's the inside of that. I've always loved how this card looks, and I haven't wanted to give it away, but it's time for it to find a new home and hopefully bring a smile to someone. And then the last card that I will be sending out is one that I did using a Not Too Shabby Box of the Month kit. And I did lots of paper piecing on the cute critters, and may your dreams come true. And it is a slimline card. So those will all be going in the mail this week. Again, fill out the form below so that I can take time and send you a card. I also was very lucky this week, and I got a card from each of my best friends. The first one I got was from my best friend, Christy, who is also my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And she had sent me some prizes that I had won from playing along with some challenges she had. And I just think this is just gorgeous. I love this stamp. I don't know the name of it offhand, but the colors, and there's like a shimmer to this paper. And I don't know, I really love this card. And then I got a card from my best friend, Alicia, or Call Me Crafty Al. We met for lunch this week, which was super fun. And she gave me this card. And I just have to say, I love it when people find a way to do something that maybe you don't necessarily think of. We all know I love to color. Alicia does not, but she has found a way to get her images. She's calling it selective coloring, and I just love it because she knows just what to color to make those images kind of pop, and this works so well with this background. I just love it. I love when people find things that make them happy, and there's some sequins on there, and yeah, just love it. So, again, I encourage you to get out there, send a card, fill out my form so I can send you a card. And until my next video, have an amazing day.